Stupid cat.
Dumb animal.
You are such a stupid cat.
Job. Over there, baby.
Oh, bless her.
She's not trying to get it off
I know.
because she's just licking the salt out of it. She's quite happy there.
Poor little animal.
She won't stop
Mika.
in there, will she?
Oh, she'll be fine. Mika. Hello. I can't believe she's not trying to pull it off her head. We get done by the RSPCA now. Says you're right for trying to get in.
Just looks so weird. We did pick up the stupid cat, didn't we?
Yeah. Bless her. Come on, shall we take it off your head?
She's got to make it off.
Oh, there we go. I think she's got it. Yeah, there she's got a little hat on there with her head poking at the bottom. What are you doing, you mad animal? That is so funny. Mika. Hello. What are you doing? What are you doing?
It was Easter. Max tried to eat Will's castle.
Oh, she's doing it again.
And he got his head in. And we'd gone out and we came back, opened the door, and Max came running out. His ears were sticking out the windows of the castle box. And he got his head stuck in there. And if he hadn't got his head stuck in there, he'd probably have eaten the rest of them as well.
Yeah.
It's quite funny. Are you recording?
Yeah, I was.
Oh, we've got my voice in the background now, that's all.
Hello. Hello.